In the fields of education and operations research, the Dreyfus model of skill acquisition is a model of how students acquire skills through formal instruction and practicing. Brothers Stuart and Hubert Dreyfus proposed the model in 1980 in an influential, 18-page report on their research at the University of California, Berkeley, Operations Research Center for the United States Air Force Office of Scientific Research. The original model proposes that a student passes through 5 distinct stages: novice, competence, proficiency, expertise, and mastery. The original 5-stage model, in the novice stage, a person follows rules as given, without context, with no sense of responsibility beyond following the rules exactly. Competence develops when the individual develops organizing principles to quickly access the particular rules that are relevant to the specific task at hand. Hence, competence is characterized by active decision-making in choosing a course of action. Proficiency is shown by individuals who develop intuition to guide their decisions and devise their own rules to formulate plans. The progression is thus from rigid adherence to rules to an intuitive mode of reasoning based on tacit knowledge. Michael Earault summarized the 5 stages of increasing skill as follows. 1. Novice, rigid adherence to taught rules or plans, no exercise of discretionary judgment. 2. Advanced beginner, limited situational perception, all aspects of work treated separately with equal importance. 3. Competent, coping with crowdedness, some perception of actions in relation to goals, deliberate planning, formulates routines. 4. Proficient, holistic view of situation, prioritizes importance of aspects, perceives deviations from the normal pattern, employs maxims for guidance, with meanings that adapt to the situation at hand. 5. Expert, transcends reliance on rules, guidelines, and maxims, intuitive grasp of situations based on deep, tacit understanding, has vision of what is possible, uses analytical approaches in new situations or in case of problems. Instead, the original Dreyfus model is based on 4 binary qualities: recollection, recognition, decision, awareness. This leads to 5 roles. 1. Novice, non-situational recollection, decomposed recognition, analytical decision, monitoring awareness. 2. Competence, situational recollection, decomposed recognition, analytical decision, monitoring awareness. 3. Proficiency, situational recollection, holistic recognition, analytical decision, monitoring awareness. 4. Expertise, situational recollection, holistic recognition, intuitive decision, monitoring awareness. 5. Mastery, situational recollection, holistic recognition, intuitive decision, absorbed awareness. Example uses of the model: assessing progress in the development of skills, helping to define a desired level of competence, supporting progress in the development of skills, by understanding the learning needs and styles of learning at different levels of skill acquisition, helping to determine when a learner is ready to teach others. Criticism of the model. A criticism of Dreyfus and Dreyfus's model has been provided by Gobbett and Chassis, who also propose an alternative theory of intuition. According to these authors, there is no empirical evidence for the presence of stages in the development of expertise. In addition, while the model argues that analytic thinking does not play any role with experts, who act only intuitively, there is much evidence that experts in fact often carry out relatively slow problem-solving. See also, Chris Argyri Concepts of Action Learning, 4 Stages of Competence, Skill, Shuhari, Merleau-Ponty, Language Proficiency, particularly ACTFL Proficiency Guidelines, References. Further reading: Benner, Patricia. Using the Dreyfus Model of Skill Acquisition to Describe and Interpret Skill Acquisition and Clinical Judgment in Nursing Practice and Education. Bulletin of Science, Technology and Society 24, 188 19 doi, 10.1177/02704676042650610. Erickson, Jar GNW. Should Soldiers Think Before They Shoot? Journal of Military Ethics 9, 195 218 doi, 10.1080/15027570.20 10.510861 External links, Table of the Dreyfus Levels, the 7 Stages of Expertise in Software Engineering.